Hey guys, it's Steve. It is Saturday, January 1st, 2022. I want to wish everyone a happy New Year's yeah, and we're supposed to have a huge snowstorm hit my area. So, yeah, we're supposed to have like what I heard 6 to 12 inches. So, yeah, it's a lot of snow. So, I'm gonna start it out, of course, with the weather app, show you what's to come. Yeah. Now it's snowing now, but I think it's very light. Yeah, it looks like it's just starting to snow. But they said around like 4 o'clock it's when it's gonna get heavy. Yeah, this is around the time it's supposed to get heavy, like 4 o'clock ish. Uh, yeah, once it gets darker, it basically means it's heavier. Like, the darker blue, the heavier the snow is gonna be. But yeah, this is basically what's expected to hit. Again, it's already snowing now, but there's still no snow on the ground. Looks like it's just beginning, but yeah, it's gonna get heavier later on in the afternoon. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this snowstorm, and yeah. And of course, I'll be live tonight, so I'll record some of the storm in that. So yeah. Alright guys, it is snowing, as you can see. Yeah. And it's like currently almost 2 o'clock. Yeah. I can see the snow coming down. We're gonna walk this way. Yeah, the snow that's on the ground now, this is probably how much we got in total on Tuesday's snowstorm. Maybe a little bit more, but yeah. And this, of course, is from Tuesday's snow. It's not even snow anymore. It's just ice, bricks of ice. Yeah. It's pretty windy too. But yeah, anyways, I'll keep you guys updated probably in the next hour, a couple hours, whatever. Alright, it's now like almost 4 o'clock. Yeah. Definitely more snow on the ground since the last update. Yeah. Record the street. Yeah. No cars coming. A little slush. Yeah. Ah, it's slushy over here. And a little slippery. But yeah. Winter Wonderland. Anyways, yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Yeah. It's like after like 4:30, almost 5 o'clock. Still snowing. Yeah. I'm taking a walk to Speedway right now. But yeah. It's starting to get dark, so yeah. Might not be that much daylight left, unfortunately, where you can see the snow better. It's also windy too. Christmas lights, snow, looks like Christmas. I wish we could have had this on Christmas. Instead it was like 50 degrees. snowplower. Yeah. Sorry, snow is getting on the lens. Yeah. Yep. See the snow coming down in the light. I got nachos. Yeah. Anyways, I'll record more. I'll update you. Alright. Little updates like after 6:30. Still is snowing. You can see in the light over there. Yeah. Unfortunately, I think I missed the snow plower because unless maybe the plower will come back. There's sometimes the plower ends up coming back like a few minutes later. But yeah. Alright, I turned on the light because yeah, it's kind of hard to see. Yeah. Fuck. Let's go more in the light over here. Hopefully this sensing light doesn't turn off. This is a motion sensing light. This is a light that basically it's on for like a minute and then then it turns off. Yeah. I expected there to be a lot more snow than this. There's still grass spots. Expect the snow to be more deeper. If the plower comes back, I'll definitely record that. But I don't know. In fact, let's go back this way. Oh, my fucking shoe. I don't even have my shoelaces tied. I just have them tucked in. One of the laces is not tucked. Crap. And my shoes are loose. Parking blocks. Yeah, and of course the street. Yeah. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated probably gonna have a couple of the updates will probably be while I'm doing my live stream, so yeah. Yep, looks like the park over here still has the Christmas decorations up. Yeah, it's like after 7. And a little bit, of course, I'm going to do my usual Saturday night live stream. Just taking a little walk. I usually always take walks on Saturday nights shortly before I do my streams. Yeah, right now I'm recording with the backup camera. The main one, I'm charging it, you know, for the stream. Yeah. Probably gonna be taking this down. Yeah. Just another little update. I'll probably record one more update before the stream. Yeah. By the library right now. You can definitely see the snow coming down well in the light. See those snowflakes? Yep. Alright. I think I hear a snowplower. Yeah. Another update. I'm not coming to the store. I'm just recording the snow. Hopefully this car doesn't look at me. Fuck. This person doesn't. Come on. That's humming guy. That cashier or no. Oh my, they have a dog. So it's not humming guy. I want these people. Looks like another snowplower over there. It's turning this way. But I don't think it's plowing any snow at the moment. Now it is. Alright. Alright. Yeah. But yeah, here's an update to the snowstorm. I'm also currently live. You can still see it's snowing. It's like almost 10 p.m. You can see the snow over there. Can't go too far because I'll run out of Wi-Fi. Yep. Look at all this snow on the ground. See the snow falling. And I got a snowflake on the lens. Yep, I'm still gonna run in the snow. Run in the snow. Yeah. Just a street full of snow. Yeah. Oh crap. Ah, fuck. Don't fall. Hang on. Hopefully this doesn't. Alright, hang on a second. Do the countdown, guys. 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! That was fun. Run in the snow. But yeah, another look at the snow falling down. But yeah.
Many expressways and streets are covered, and conditions are treacherous in some places. This driver ended up off the road in the northern suburbs. Good evening, everyone. The first snow of the winter is causing a mess for many plows and snow blowers out for the first time this winter. We'll show you conditions around the area. Our Trey Ward is live along the Kennedy Expressway, and meteorologist Phil Schwartz is checking the storm. We'll start with Phil.
Not done with the storm yet, but I think snowfall totals will be somewhat less than what we first anticipated. But still, in many places, 3 to 4 inches, including Lakewood with 4 inches, Bannockburn 3.3. You folks in Carroll Stream coming in with 3.1, 3 inches at Lindenhurst and Mokina and Valparaiso, up to 2 inches of snow so far. We still have this winter storm warning. It's in effect until 6 a.m. Midnight for you folks out towards McHenry, Kane, and DeKalb counties. That's when it will expire. And you can see how the snow kind of let up for a while there. Now it's redeveloping in a couple locations, especially near Southwest. You can see that snow just south of Joliet, a little bit heavier here from Wilmington and Manhattan, extending up towards Frankfurt and Tinley Park. And also in the northern suburbs from Campton Hills over towards Elgin and West Dundee, the snow slightly heavier. I think most areas will get about another inch of accumulation. That would bring the snowfall totals in this area to 3 to 5 inches. But we are still expecting some lake effect snow to get going about 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. So you see this purple color from Zion down towards Glencoe and into the city. That's where we expect 5+ inches of total accumulation. Right now, 26 in Gurnee, 30 at O'Hare, 32 at Midway, but it's down to 18 in Woodstock, and that colder air is on the way. So you can see how the snow does continue, and look at this lake effect snow band that sets up for the next several hours, especially between about 2 a.m. and 6 a.m., right along the immediate lakefront. That will then move out during the day, but temperatures are going to need to be stuck in the 20, right around 20, with wind chills in the single digits. So cold Sunday.
It's going to be cold.
We'll be out of the area. Karen.
All right, Phil, thank you. Our Trey Ward is live along the Kennedy Expressway in Chicago with more. Trey.
Yeah, again, right now we're not getting nearly the pounding we got earlier today. No issues right now on the Kennedy Expressway as hundreds of crews will be manning the roads standing by. The fleet in place with tons of salt after disposal. Nearly 300 trucks on area roads tonight paving the streets after snow plummeted Chicago.
It's freezing. The wind is throwing snow everywhere.
Just hours.
See a ghost, Nick.
It's good to finally see. Now it finally feels like winter.
Some cough,
With
like
snow and
pens.
ice blanketing the city as crews focus their efforts on main streets and Lakeshore Drive.
Yeah, hopefully it doesn't get much worse in the meantime.
This is drivers trying to make it to their destination with little concern.
When it sticks, it's usually just like you'll slide a lot, but luckily right now it's not sticky.
The winter blast calming during the evening hours with some snow accumulating on the ground, but nothing causing major delays in traffic. The crews still planning to man the roads as the worst of it is now behind us and the cold sets in.
Honestly, I don't mind the cold that much, so it's nice to see the first snow.
Okay, I see your comment, Sonic Shadow.
And crews will stay out on the roads through the early morning hours, making sure that they are passable and that drivers get to their destination safely. Reporting live along the Kennedy Expressway tonight, I'm Trey Wolf, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
All right, thank you, Trey. Storm Tracker has been out all night checking road conditions across our area. And this is the scene right now in the Northbrook area. Storm Tracker on the road heading eastbound on the Eden. There's a little bit of accumulation right there on the roads. And earlier tonight,
16 March 25th, all right.
On an exit ramp in North Suburban Gurnee. The driver was heading from westbound 94 to Belvedere Road. Our photographer
Being
checked to make
positive,
sure
sometimes I
everyone was
try.
okay, and the
Yeah.
mother and 3 kids were fine, but they did have to wait 3 hours for a tow truck. Aurora police sent video. This is the video they sent out showing the snowy, slippery roads there. Residents are reminded to keep fire hydrants clear and to clear the sidewalks.
Never
in front
cared
of their
about people's
homes.
age.
And any cars left
Special
on the
about
streets could be ticketed or
Yeah.
towed. In Cicero, the snow looked pretty with the light trees and the lights in the trees out there. However, it still did need to be cleaned up. And there were some folks out tonight shoveling sidewalks and clearing the streets. Homeowners bringing out the snow blowers this evening and shovels in North Suburban Highland Park. They're trying to get a jump on things, clearing the snow that has already fallen. Right now, we're going to take another live look. This is our camera in Woodstock. Quite a bit of snow on the ground. out in that area tonight.
But
And right now, this is a live
somewhat
look outside
negative.
our studio
I don't
on
know
State
what
Street. In the loop, this is from
She
the
got
camera
sent to another
atop
school
Main
with
Street.
anger issues.
It is snowy and a bit slushy out there.
Wow.
Plows have been out on the streets trying to keep everything clear as well as the sidewalks. And part of the lakefront is closed because of the snow and the high winds.
Yeah.
The lakefront trail is closed at Oak Street to Ohio and Fullerton to North Avenues. Access to the underpass at Chicago Avenue is also closed. We will have much more on the storm coming up throughout our newscast, including more live looks and some videos from around the area. Phil will also have more on just how much snow we should be getting throughout the evening and early morning. You can always track bad weather.
Hello,
on
Anthony
our Free
Tovar.
News app. The weather and COVID.
Alright, it is the next day. It is Sunday morning, January 2nd, 2022 at 11:09 a.m. Yeah, it's gonna basically be the final update of the snow. It looks like it's snowing now, but it's really nothing. It's not really heavy. Yeah, I just woke up not too long ago. I'm cooking food like bacon. See the snow on this table that we have outside on chairs. Yeah. I'm gonna go a little bit out into the street. Yeah, I expected there to be a lot more snow than this. It to be much deeper, but because they said like possibly 12 inches, and there's geese over there, as you can see. Yeah, snow on people's cars. That sign that fell for a little bit of the street. Yeah, I got snow here. Of course, some of the snow was from the snowstorm on Tuesday. Of course, it's not snow anymore. It's like ice bricks of ice. But yeah. But basically, this is basically what hit yesterday and last night. And yeah. Again, looks like it's snowing just a little bit, but yeah, the worst is basically over. But yeah. These shoes aren't even mine. I just randomly put them on. But yeah, basically I'm going to end this video. Just a snowstorm video. From basically yesterday. And of course the aftermath this morning. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this snowstorm video. Yeah, so have a good one, guys. Maybe I'll have a couple more of these this winter. And yeah, so yeah, one last look of the snow. Yeah, so bye everyone, have a good one.